How to reactivate deleted Skrill account. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can reactivate deleted Skrill account. So let's get right into it. The first step is to open your web browser. And then once you've opened your web browser, you cannot log into your Skrill account, right? Because you have deleted it. And then what do? Just come over to the search box and then type out um Skrill. Let me type it well. Skrill help center. Okay, and then you search it out. And once you search it out, you can see the Skrill official Skrill site, and then you can see Skrill help team. So you can just click on that, and then once you're directed to the Skrill help teams page, you can go ahead and describe your issue in here, which is how do you recover your deleted account or reactivate your deleted account. Another thing, okay, I went back. Now, another thing is to ensure after clicking on Skrill App Center, ensure you select the App Center for Skrill, because the last one I selected was not for Skrill actually. So ensure the one you selected is the exact Help Center for Skrill, and there, this is it. You to have the Skrill logo, and then once you've seen this, you would know that you are in the right place. And then once you're on your Skill Help Center, just type out your question here, which is how do you reactivate your account, and then response will be given and you'll be able to reactivate it. Another option is by clicking on this icon to chat with the virtual assistant. Once you click on the icon, a window would pop up by the right side of the screen, and then you'll be asked to input your email address. You put it in, and then once the email address has been recognized, you'll be asked to click on start chatting, and then you can now ask your question, which is how to reactivate deleted Skrill account. Follow the screen instructions being displayed, and from there you would learn how you can reactivate your Skrill account. So that is it. Very simple. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.